Today we have an amazing dish that will win over your taste buds. In this recipe, we'll start with 3 onions. Cut them in half, and slice each half. Transfer to a baking dish. Add chimichurri, salt, black pepper, paprika, and olive oil, all to taste. Stir well to distribute the seasonings. Next, add 100 grams of sun-dried tomatoes. This recipe is going to be fantastic, so give it another stir. We'll add a whole head of garlic, just like that. Cover with aluminum foil, and bake at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Right after, prepare a pot of boiling water, add 150 grams of bao tai pasta, and salt to taste. Stir, and let cook for about 5 minutes. With our roast ready, we just need to squeeze the garlic, it will work perfectly. Here, we'll also add 200 grams of heavy cream, and stir so everything is well combined, like this. This will be our sauce. With the pasta cooked, drain the water and combine it with the sauce. We add chopped green onion for flavor, but it's ready, let's serve. And look at this wonderful dish. The creamy sauce with roasted garlic and onions makes the pasta irresistible. A perfect touch for your lunch or dinner. If you love this recipe too, leave your like, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Tell us in the comments what you thought and what you'd do to make the sauce even more delicious. Until next time.